Hey, what's up everybody? YL with Crypto 10X. I got a special announcement for you guys, but before I go into that, I'm gonna let you know why I'm so excited, and that's because when I first started trading crypto, when I started investing in crypto, I lost some money to begin with. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know where to look, like what communities to join, who to ask, who to follow. So I was just doing things blindly. But over the last couple months and weeks, we've put some hard work into building these resources, this community, and all the things we need to, help people become profitable and start and educate people in cryptocurrency. So, like I said, over the last couple months, we put real hard work into building it all out, and I'm so excited because we get to share it with you guys. So we've opened this up to just a small select people, some beta testers. We're just taking a small group right now. We're offering the Bitcoin A to Z course, which goes into all the basics. That's from trading, opening up exchange accounts, securing your assets, and how to start making profitable trades. Then we have a different selection of crypto calls. So we have the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoin calls. We have the moon landing coin calls. We have the masternode pooling and the ICO calls and pooling. So whichever level of investor you are in cryptocurrency, you can choose a different type of packages from the course to all the trading calls. So like I said, we're just accepting a few beta testers. So make sure you're one of them to sign up. Make sure you follow us, you join our Discord, all of our social profiles. We have a bunch of contests going out. We have our masternode contest right now. You can win a piece of a masternode, win a real asset. So that's about it. Stay tuned and make sure you follow us, and I'll see you in the next video.